Hi, my name is Kevin Ashley. I'm an engineer and an author at Microsoft. I just announced completing my book called Applied Machine Learning in Health and Fitness. So if you're interested in fun, practical data science applications, you can find many interesting examples and projects in Python with Jupyter notebooks when the book comes out. The book summarizes a lot of research I've done over the years working on problems that connect health, fitness, and sports with the latest developments in machine learning. Each chapter of the book has a Jupyter notebook associated with it, containing lots of examples for physics, kinesiology, neural networks, sensors, deep computer vision, 2D, 3D body pose estimation, video action recognition, and reinforcement learning, as well as examples on how to operationalize your project, put it in the cloud, and manage automation and consumption of machine learning for health and fitness. I hope you enjoy the book when it comes out. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to work on the book. Very thankful to my publishers, Apress, and everybody who contributed reviews, feedback, and comments for the book. Thank you.